darlings, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Liz and thank you for joining me. You guys might have seen the shirt that I'm wearing today. So here's the shirt, catch feelings. Not catch feelings. That's exactly what you don't want to do. That's where all the problems come in. When you meet guys and catch feelings, or meet girls and catch feelings, whatever you're into, that's when you go crazy. Okay, as I digress. So my shirt says, catch flights, not feelings. Absolutely love it. Comfortable, love wearing it around. Super fun shirt. This is an Amazon buy I bought pretty much when I decided that I was going to go to be a flight attendant. That was my career change, that was my goal, and I gave myself 2 years to actually get into the industry because it's super competitive and super hard. Even though it was a lot quicker than that, I didn't want to set myself up for too much disappointment, and I know it's a super, super competitive industry. So if you are trying to become a flight attendant and you've tried and you've applied, keep going, keep going. You will get there. You just have to find the right fit. You have to find the right airline that matches with you, and you'll learn every time you go in for an interview. So my recommendation is don't give up and keep trying if it's your dream job. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That would be amazing for me, and then you'd get notified of all the new videos I'm putting out. Also, leave me a comment. I love to hear what you're thinking from watching this, and I will be sure to respond. Keep watching, don't go anywhere. I posted some text messages from my friends when I got the TBNT, thanks but no thanks, emails from the airlines that I did not get. My favorite, the last one, that I'm way too nice and way too hot for the airline that turned me down. Have a great day and hope to hear from you in the comments.